still eating less and exercising more, but belly fat won't go? That's because belly fat isn't a calorie problem, it's an insulin problem. I'll show you how fixing insulin resistance can finally shrink your belly fat. Insulin is a hormone that pushes sugar from your blood into your cells for energy. When cells stop responding, insulin builds up and high insulin tells your body to store more fat. Your belly fat is extremely sensitive to insulin. When insulin stays high, your body stores fat around your organs first. That's why the belly grows faster than anywhere else. Constant cravings, belly fat that won't budge, tired after meals, brain fog, these aren't willpower issues. They're signs your cells aren't handling sugar properly. As long as insulin stays high, fat is locked inside your cells. Lower insulin, and your body automatically switches from fat storage to fat burning. Step 1. Sugar. First thing in the morning causes a huge insulin spike. Start your day with water, protein, and fiber. This alone can reduce belly fat storage all day. Step 2. Protein, vegetables, and healthy fats slow sugar absorption. Eating vegetables before carbs can cut insulin spikes significantly without changing calories. Step 3. A 10-minute walk after eating lets muscles absorb sugar without much insulin. It's one of the fastest ways to improve insulin sensitivity naturally. Step 4. Poor sleep increases insulin resistance the very next day. Better sleep lowers cravings, improves hormone balance, and boosts overnight fat burning. Step 5. Stress raises cortisol, and cortisol blocks insulin sensitivity. Daily stress control isn't optional, it's essential for losing belly fat. When insulin resistance improves, cravings drop, energy rises, and belly fat finally starts shrinking because your body is working with you again. If you want science-based fat loss that actually works, like, share, and subscribe for more insulin-fixing tips.